All are welcome to return to Shib Kai. Robert Kiyosaki claims that if you put $100 into Shiba Inu today, you will become rich. It would indicate that the Shiba Inu price is maintaining its proximity to a significant support level that has been set up over the past 3 months. Consolidation along this barrier led to a massive shift 2 weeks ago. The ongoing consolidation has led investors to anticipate yet another comeback. This video will go over Robert Kiyosaki's claim that if you put $100 into Shiba Inu today, you will become rich. Make sure you subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up to get our latest information on Shiba Inu pricing estimates and expert analysis. Now is the time to begin the video. Meme coins creator Shoshi Kusama take to Twitter to counteract. Individuals who are trying to destabilize the ecosystem and sow uncertainty by defending SHIB holders. At 0.118, a critical support level, the price of SHIB is close to the point of control. This barrier, representing the highest traded volume level since April 11th, was largely responsible for the previous run-ups for SHIB on August 14th. A 53% increase was set in motion when the Dogecoin killer formed a double top at 0.179. Since then, the Shiba Inu price has rolled back the gains and is again back at the OC, where it hopes to embark on another similar advance. So far, it seems like the bulls are either not there or aren't responding. On the other hand, if SHIB stays put for a while and brings buyers back, a quick run-up could happen. The level that the smart money or bulls will immediately aim to pursue is the 0.179 level, where equal highs were set. If the price bounces off the 0.118 level after retesting the 0.179 level, it can increase by 52%. Despite the forecast seeming simplicity, investors should rest easy after the POC. The advance will cause SHIB to retest the immediate support level at 0.106. A 68% gain is possible in the second scenario, which involves a bounce to 0.179. In the third possible outcome, the objective remains the same, but before finding support at 0.106, the Shiba Inu price may decline below 0.83 in order to rectify the imbalance. With a gain of 104%, the following rally will retest 0.179. Regardless of the possible outcomes, investors would be wise to dollar-cost average their assets at the critical support levels mentioned above, rather than waiting for a perfect bottom and missing out on the rise. However, if SHIB manages to close a daily candlestick below 0.74 without quickly recovering, the bullish case for Shiba Inu will be dismissed. There is a lot of enthusiasm among Shiba Inu owners to finish the massive network makeover. In light of this, the Shiba Inu team has announced a significant SHIB the Metaverse milestone alongside the introduction of Hub. In recent months, the value of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has skyrocketed. The digital asset has developed into its own thing since its inception as a parody of Dogecoin. Shiba Inus were all the rage in August, driving up their value. The Bone Coin is the governance token of the ShibaSwap network. It allows holders to vote on ideas with a weight proportional to their holdings. Since the beginning of the year, the price has been unable to break clear of the $1.20 horizontal resistance level. During this time, it tried to escape out 3 times without success. On the other hand, the price started rising sharply on August 19th and finally broke out on August 29th. During this upward pattern, Bone developed 200% in 10 days, and then it began to grow again on the 11th day. Over the past 2 days, the price of BOM has been steadily rising, coinciding with its launch on the Bluebit exchange. At $2.10, we can see the price met with opposition from the external 5 billion retracement at 2.61. If it were feasible to break through it, a 3.61 external 5 billion retracement resistance level would be formed. At $2.65, we would encounter the second hurdle. A cryptocurrency and stockbroker named Mind and Trading tweeted a Bone chart showing that the price had soared to a peak of $2. The next point of resistance, according to his prediction, would be $2.60. According to the prior declining trend, the area of resistance is at 3.61, which is also the external 5 billion retracement level. According to the RSI measures, the upward trend towards the set objectives will persist. Indicators breaking out from a falling resistance line is one possible interpretation. Second, there is no negative divergence in the daily RSI, even if the signal is overbought. Similarly, there is no bearish divergence on the 6-hour RSI. Alternatively, the indicator is increasing even though it is deep inside the overbought range. Consequently, a possible increase to around $2.65 is the most probable outcome. Unsurprisingly, the cryptocurrency market was taken aback by the sell-off that occurred on August 19th. The dire circumstances of the macro scenario continue to be voiced by market detractors. The sell-off has affected other tokens, including Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, too, that are very valuable. When cryptocurrency rankings fluctuate, each token was going through its own bullish activity before the crash, declined in standing, and eventually lost its position. The ranking dropped 2 points during the weekend, and as of this writing, it was in 14th place. As of this writing, Dogecoin was trading at 0.061, a 7.09% weekly decline and a 3.54% daily decline. After falling 3.25% the day before, Shiba Inu did not fare much better, trading at 0.193. Also, SHIB's value dropped more than 7% in the past week, as reported by CoinMarketCap. When SHIB publicly announced its plans to investigate the metaverse, several in the cryptocurrency community took it as a joke. We don't. You know how a meme coin with no known influence in the metaverse might be a part of its purpose? Worries may remain unfounded, though, since SHIB's latest research suggests there's no stopping it. In the early hours of September 3rd, SHIB said that it had taken a bold move towards the goal. In an official blog post, SHIB announced that the construction of the "We Are All Going to Make It" temple was progressing at a rapid pace. An idea for a shrine was proposed following the release. Several building proposals from 6 different cities were analyzed, as stated in SHIB's letter. SHIB had already decided to take inspiration from Japan, Hawaii, South Africa, and Myanmar, as shown in his early sketches. As SHIB said, it is ultimately up to the community to decide whether or not to endorse the notion. It would appear that most SHIB Army members agree with the comments, yet the news hasn't caused a jump in the SHIB price. The volume of SHIB has increased by $35.31 million today, but the price has decreased by 0.17%, as reported by CoinMarketCap. It had a comparable trajectory, with 69,879,000 SHIB tokens burned in the same time frame and a burn rate that was 47.9% lower. According to Robert Kiyosaki's recent tweet, the financial collapse he foretold in 2013 is indeed taking place. Millions of dollars might go down the drain for investors, he claims. If you want to grow your fortune, Kiyosaki should take advantage of this time. Looking back, it's hard to argue with Warren Buffett's claim that the best time to invest is during market volatility. Continuing its downward trend in response to market conditions, the S&P 500 bounced back from the $4,000 to $3,950 support level. Holders keep holding Shiba Inu and buy SHIB tokens because Robert Kiyosaki predicted that it will skyrocket. The Shiba Inu is currently the 14th most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization, at a price of 0.12 per coin. Shiba Inus are likely to feel the effects of the Bitcoin market's expected sideways shift in the coming months, according to most observers. The optimistic meme coin trajectory and the potential growth in the price of Shiba Inu during a bull market will be fascinating to see. We will wrap that up today. Give it a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest material. I followed your instructions for length and organization while correcting the grammar errors.